Hey guys, welcome back to Pristine Auto Spa. Today we're going to be protecting this 2024 Porsche GT3 RS. To start this project, we're going to be doing our Satin Paint Protection Film covering the whole body from head to toe. We're going to be applying it on all the painted surfaces, so the gloss GT Silver is now going to become a satin finish, very much similar to that Manti GT3 up there in the same paint color. And on all of the carbon accents that is gloss, we're going to keep them gloss to keep those protected. To top off the paint protection film, we are also going to be adding a ceramic coating on all of the exterior surfaces, including the wheels. We recommend this heavily on really any vehicle, but especially track vehicles, because there's going to be so much brake dust that'll build up over time. It's going to help make it extremely easy to wash, and on top of that, it'll make sure that the wheel stays looking good for a long time. We are also going to be adding our windshield protection film. This is going to help minimize the chances of getting rock chips, windshield cracks, and other damage like pitting and similar things like that. This project wouldn't be complete without adding our Stratos premium ceramic window tint. That's going to help block a lot of the UV and IR rays that are going to come into contact with on the track. On this vehicle we did a 35%. Client wanted to go a little bit darker to have some privacy while also not affecting the visual experience. We are coming up on the last final days of the 3RS project. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about some of the disassembly that we did, and this was really important when it comes to the fit and finish of the paint protection film. Obviously, with us going to the satin finish, it's extremely important to get as tight of a finish as possible. That way the vehicle doesn't still look gloss on some of these areas. The first area that I want to focus on is this front wheel area. There are a lot of components, both with these plastic canards or arrow pieces, and then also the same thing back here. With the standard PPF plot, it actually stops about an inch past this. And since we're doing the satin film, visually that would not look good. We actually completely removed this piece, extended all the edges on the paint protection film, and then reinstalled all of the plastic pieces back on. And if you look extremely closely, it looks like an OEM satin painted panel. We also did remove this piece, wrapped the paint protection film behind here, reinstalled. Once you see a couple up close shots right here, it looks like there is no film on the car. It looks like it is painted a satin GT silver. Now that all the paint protection film on the first layer is completely done, we are going to be moving on to our second. And the areas that we're going to add a second layer to is this edge of the fender. We are going to be matching this body line, so it is going to blend in with the film. The client didn't want to do the full panel, so we really focused on just the high impact area. Same thing on this. This is essentially a completely flat forward-facing surface. Obviously, with it being right behind the wheel, it is going to take a ton of damage. If it gets damaged, or if it starts to deteriorate over the next couple years, we can simply remove the film, and all of the existing paint protection film under it will look brand new. The most important part about it is this paint will be protected. If you move back here a little bit, a couple things I also want to touch on. With all of our paint protection film installs, we put a high focus on giving you the best quality install possible. One of the things that really sticks out to me is areas like when you have venting or grill pieces, or anytime that you have, you know, say like a mirror stock, we try to, if not possible, tuck behind it, get extremely close. That way it looks painted. That is the whole goal of, I'd say the whole goal, the main goal is protecting the paint. The second is making it look like there's no film on the vehicle. Our question to you guys are, would you keep this in the existing gloss finish, or would you guys also do the satin matte finish with the paint protection film? We are all wrapped up with the full body color change satin paint protection film wrap on this stunning Porsche GT3 RS. If you guys have any questions about the services that we did on this, please ask us in the comment section below. We'd love to answer any questions that you guys may have. Please look forward to a few more projects like this coming in the near future. Thanks again.